I loved those 40 years. I loved my students. I worked in the ghetto of the South Bronx. I still keep up with former students of mine who graduated more than 50 years ago. Some were extremely successful. One of my students is now a college president. I'm talking about schools in the ghetto, primarily African American and Hispanic kids. At the same time, some of my students ended up in jail. So, did I have an influence on some of them? Yes, because those I keep up with still remember some of the things that we did in school. Did I have an influence on those who went to jail? I don't know. I hope not.